Hey y'all, what's up? It is your girl Haley Elise. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of my YouTube channel. In the comments, as I've been making my return tour back to YouTube, some of y'all have said you would love to see some of my go-to products. I can't get into all of that today, but what I can do today is tell y'all what I keep in my cosmetic bag as far as hair products when I'm taking a trip or I'm on vacation. Y'all, I'm actually preparing to go to Costa Rica in like 3 days, so your girl about to be outside. But in preparation for that, I had to make sure I had everything I needed to keep my braids and my hair looking good, looking tight, you know, clean and fresh and all of that good stuff. So that's what I wanted to talk to you all about today. So without further ado, let's get into it. Number one, y'all know I'm all about protecting my crown, okay? And so with that, I got 2 components. Y'all, I have just bought a brand new braid bonnet and I feel like it's the cutest and I love it. I'm a fan. My braids fit in here perfectly and I feel so pretty when I put this on because I feel like bonnets can just be so unattractive, but this, it does something for me at night. To like sleep in glitter, I don't know, you know, you gotta try it. Don't knock it till you try it, okay? It does it for me. All right, so that's number one. You gotta have a satin scarf. Y'all, I do not know what is going on with satin scarf manufacturers, but they don't make them the same way that they used to. I was looking for my old school scarf and y'all probably got one of these. It's just like very simple, you know? It's really long and it has a nice little width and you can just like wrap it around your hair and be done with it. Y'all, I could not find this scarf anywhere. I had to buy one of these new scarves and I'm gonna check that out and see what happens. But I mean, it's kind of cute, I guess. I mean, it works. So I guess a do-rag for longer hair. We gonna see, but I needed something for my edges, so I definitely picked one of these up. Now we're gonna talk a little bit about the products. Y'all, I done found these 2 new products that I absolutely love that are going to start going with me everywhere as long as I have braids, locks, and twists. Okay, it is from Taliah Waajid. Taliah Waajid's products are everything for me, especially when I think about consumer products. So the 2 products I found from her is the Moisture Clenz, okay, which is like a leave-in shampoo or the equivalent of like a dry shampoo. Technically you can't call it that because it is like liquid and it goes on wet, but it's the equivalent of that. And I also have this new protective mist Bodifier, which is basically like an anti-itch, anti-irritation, soothing scalp conditioner, basically is how I think of it. So in my mind, I have my shampoo and my conditioner for my trip. Particularly, I bought these because typically, you know, when your hair is in braids or some type of protective style like this, you're not necessarily washing your hair as often as you would if your hair were not in braids or twists. I decided to invest into a moisture cleanser. Y'all, I absolutely love this. One of my favorite things about this product is that it does have peppermint extract in it, and so I don't know if y'all ever used peppermint or tea tree or anything like that, but the tingling sensation is everything to me, and my scalp felt so good and it looked good and clean and all of that once I got in using this product. I really love this, and it has, like most of her products, has a lot of natural ingredients in it. One caveat with this: dry shampoo is not a replacement for your regular like liquid shampoo that you would wash out in the shower. I want to be very clear, okay? But I'm using this to potentially hold me over. This would not be enough for like salt water or chlorine in my hair. This is just while I'm on my trip, if I don't do a full wash and I'm feeling like buildup and all of that stuff in my hair, I would use this, okay? So this is if I do not get my hair completely saturated and I need a little clean and reset on my scalp, okay? The same thing goes for this mist Bodifier. So this is not in replacement to my typical leave-in or my wash out conditioner. No. This is just to hold me over for the time being if I need some. Yeah, if I need moisture or just some type of relief with the itching and things like that with my braids, okay? And also, I decided to pair them together because you have shampoo, you need a conditioner. Just like any shampoo, this will leave my hair a little bit drier, so I'm gonna have the conditioner to kind of complement it and put those together, okay? And what I also really love about this shampoo is that this can serve as a really good disinfectant, antibacterial. It also helps aid in healing the scalp from like scratches and things like that. So really get my scalp all clean, okay? And this has all of like the soothing and healing components as well. And of course, we love that. If I need a quick wash after like swimming in the ocean or in the pool, I have these next 2 items. Okay, so I have my Shea Moisture Co-Wash. And I also have my Shea Moisture Extra Moisturizing Transitioning Milk. Whew, y'all try saying that 3 times fast, okay? Anyways, this is one of my favorite moisture milks out of like all of the lines. I also like the ones that who is it, Camille Rose and Miel have. Those are also really good, but I love this one. This one holds true. It's a light leave-in conditioner that you can use in between time. Again, not super heavy, but I'm just using it for vacation. When I come home, I'll completely wash, condition, and do what I need to do to get my hair back on track. Same thing with the co-wash. A co-wash does have some shampooing components and agents in it, but again, it's not heavy enough or strong enough to completely like cleanse my hair. Everything that my hair may collect from like the ocean or even the swimming pool, but it'll do enough to hold me over while I'm on my trip. Again, while I'm on vacation, I'm not thinking about doing a complete wash day, right? This is just to hold me over, do what I need to do, get some of the stuff out of my hair, put a little moisture back into my hair, and keep it pushing until I come home. So those are gonna be my top 4 that's 8. But my top 4 products while I'm on vacation. But now we're gonna go on to the cosmetics. Alright, so up next, I thought I would share with y'all a little bit about the cosmetics that I use while I also travel. I know I'm not a makeup girly, and that's not why y'all follow me, you know, to get your face beat. That ain't changed. But I thought I would share with y'all some of my go-to products while I'm out and about, okay? One, a nice set of lashes. Y'all, I used to not wear lashes till I went to cosmetology school, and they made us learn how to apply lashes and all of that, and along the way I kind of fell in love with it. Here's some lashes that I received from one of my friends who works at Sephora, and these are the Everyday Faux Mink lashes. Y'all, I love these lashes. The only complaint is that they don't have like a clear strip, but it works. If you know how to lay your lashes and get them on your lash line, child, you can't even tell. So, love these. And to go along with it, I have my favorite eyelash glue. And I've used a few, okay? And so that's gonna be my Grip Bond with biotin. What I love about Grip Bond, not only does it dry super fast, but it also changes colors as it dries. So I know my lashes are ready when the glue begins to change like this bluish hue or tint. I know they're ready to be applied, and that I love. Mascara. This is also a newer mascara that I've tried. It is called Mascara, and it is curvy and healthy with protein, and I have the Black Noir color. Y'all, I love this. Typically, I'm a Maybelline or CoverGirl, but I decided to try this one. It's by Kiss New York, and look at that brush. I absolutely love how rounded it is and not just straight across. And lastly, I've invested in some clear mascara. Or previously, I never really understood why people use clear mascara, but this mascara is also for your brows. And I was like, wait, hold up, they changing the game. I have actually used it on my brows today. I'm already a really big fan, one, because it's clear, but basically it acts as like a gel and kind of gives like a laminated look almost, but like my brows are like stuck in place. I don't know if y'all have peeped game over the years, but my brows are kind of wild. They're thick and they're curly, like the hair on my head as well. And so I decided to try this, and I'm a fan. Like, it's holding them in place, you know, nothing crazy. It doesn't feel too thick or too hard on my brows. It's just like a smooth on to hold them a little bit. That I love. I don't know what it's gonna do when I start sweating. It's probably gonna sweat off, I would imagine. I have my moisturizer, which I've been using this Olay Complete moisturizer for a few years now. It's SPF 15 for sensitive skin, and it's non-comedogenic. Love that. Okay, and I've also been using tea tree soap to clean my face. I actually don't have a picture of that right now, but that is also in my cosmetics bag. Other than that, I got the lotions, the razors, the deodorant, all the boring stuff. But I especially wanted to come on here to show y'all what I keep in my cosmetics bag as far as like my hair is concerned, because that's what the people wanted to see. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna have all the links down below so that you can click your way through and figure out what you need to add to your cosmetic bag, okay? But as always, thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing y'all soon. Bye.